Hi, I'm Adam from CADimensions, and today we're talking about measurement gauges and 3D printing. It's critical in a manufacturing environment to inspect production parts to ensure that what's coming off the machine lines up with the specifications of the part's design. Whether your manufacturing process involves stamping sheet metal, bending metal piping, or cutting brackets, validating the correct dimensions and tolerance is always a good part of the quality control process. There are a variety of tools and methods that QC managers use to monitor and measure this, from calipers to a CMM machine or emerging methods like 3D scanning. Hands down, the most common method is utilizing a measurement gauge or a go-no-go gauge. As common as these gauges are, they can sometimes be very expensive to make. Depending on the characteristics of the part, costs can range from $1,000 to over $10,000 and take up to 8 weeks to produce when machining is outsourced. If the final version of the tool wasn't made to the right specs, it can easily double or triple the time and costs while the mistake is corrected. One way to maintain more control over the production of these go-no-go gauges is to bring their production in-house, but now that means you're trading off valuable machine time away from tools needed to produce end-use parts, or you run the risk of long lead times because your machine shop is running at capacity. By utilizing a 3D printer to create measurement gauges, many companies can see an instant savings, if for no other reason than they free up time on the CNC machine, let alone long-term savings when you make a change to the gauge. Companies that adopt 3D printing technology specifically to address this issue usually save between 60 and 90% when compared to machining manufacturing aids. BMW in particular saved 58% in material cost alone when comparing an aluminum tool to a 3D printed one. This same tool would have taken 18 days to work into the CNC queue, but because 3D printers can run unmanned overnight, it was able to be created in less than 2 days. The ability to design and produce inexpensive measurement gauges means more tools can be created to check critical features of the parts you're producing. Since adopting 3D printing technology, many QC departments are able to check parts so often and thoroughly that they're confident in guaranteeing 100% acceptance. Can your company say that? For more information on 3D printing, measurement gauges, and how it might be able to help your business, go to CADimensions.com.